Hello. Hello. Let me check my settings. Don't want my desktop audio to be shared. I am live. We are back from our big sleep. I did a big sleep. No, I just what did I do? I honestly don't know what I was doing. Played a lot of finals, that's for sure. Well, I did do a lot of balancing for the game. And fixing issues and shit. Holy shit, Spotify is so slow. Okay. Oh, my entire PC. Stream plus fucking Unity starting plus Spotify is not good. Okay. I should also, to be honest, plug in my PC to the interwebs. Come on. Mostly because I think the bitrate is better than. I think. I don't fucking know. If everything goes well, the stream should be down for a second. Does this make sense? Makes a little bit of sense. Weird though. Yeah. Turn the song down a little bit. And we can go. Oh, I forget that you watch your own stream when you start. That's why everything was so fucking laggy. No one saw that. No one saw that happen. Where I know how to drink. What the fuck is this? Luckily my bitrate is too low to see any fucking stains on my shirt. Aha. Shitty internet wins again. Anyway, something boss fight. Yeah, so I had an issue with the boss fights where you would boss the fight and the boss would fight you and then you die. No. Fuck. Ooh. Saying my bitrate's good suddenly. Anyway. Better to just play it. So you know, in my game, you get a lot of weapons, you get a lot of bullets on screen, a lot of enemies on screen. And it tends to really clutter up the screen, right? And that's kind of part of the fun. This animation is too fast. Giving me stress. Anyway, so the screen gets cluttered. And now I want a boss that is kind of a bullet hell, right? But it doesn't really work if the screen is cluttered. So what do we do? What can be done? Oh, you might have noticed already that I don't have any weapons right now. Because the game takes away your weapons when the boss starts. Normally the boss doesn't start on wave 0, it starts at the end, but this is just for testing. Anyway, it takes away your weapons, so you cannot clutter up the screen. Now you might think, how do I kill the boss if I have no weapon? Oh, there, my friends, is where we have the thingamading, thingamachonga. You just grab the chingamachonga. And then we follow the little line. I should really make that map disappear when it ends. Yeah, we don't grab it yet because the boss is not on screen right now, so it's will be a little bit pointless. But now we grab this, we get big cannon. Now we can hit him. Oh shit, oh shit. And this is a limited duration weapon, so poof, it's gone. And then you have to get a new one. So getting your weapon is kind of part of the fight, which I really like. Oh, hello there. It makes it possible to focus 100% on trying to dodge these bullets. And also, you also need to kind of get to the X. Because if you take too long, the boss will just get harder and harder progressively. And then you will just fucking die anyway. So there's some time pressure. And it also gives you healing, which I'm not sure if that's good, but I think it's good because yes. Uh, I don't know though if healing from that is good. I don't know. It would be interesting to have a boss where no healing is allowed, so you just have to fucking do it. Kinda like Binding of Isaac. Or you just have to fucking beat him or die trying. I think that's what I want. But I do want you to be able to heal up before the boss fight. Because it's very annoying if you have 1 HP and you survive a bunch of bullshit. And then you die anyway because you have to do the entire boss fight with 1 HP, right? This is a predicament. That went surprisingly well. Hit him. Yes. Grapple. Oh, I should not have grappled and I would have been fine. Oh, fuck myself. And that's the one thing that can happen is damage stacking. So you get hit by a bullet, and you get hit by a ship, and you get hit by a wave. And now you're almost dead. Do I want that? I don't know. Because normally damage stacking is kind of fine because it just means that if you're just getting hit by one enemy, you're pretty much okay. But if you are completely surrounded, you die quickly, which is intended. For a boss fight, it's weird, right? Uh, I think I'll get rid of these red guys. They block too much of the screen. They're too big. It's the reason why the waves do work. Because the waves are small. Ah. Okay, okay, you're going to fucking die. Now we can get this heal. If I want to remove healing from the fight, I do need to nerf the damage values a little bit. Shit. Because right now he does a lot of damage because there is healing. And maybe we keep the healing and we just say the damage values are high because there's also healing opportunities. The only issue with that is then you can get damage stacked very quickly and die in like a second from full health. Does he damage you on contact? He does not. It's kind of neat. Should remove the damage animation then as well. Or else what the fuck. Okay. Okay. You might have noticed that there are two ships right now. I need to check something. Because because they should share the same health pool. Oh, there's three of them actually. Holy shit. Anyway, they should share the same health pool. So this is like that amount. I think this is slightly less. Yeah, it looks like it's slightly less. And then this one is at full. But they should all show the same amount. Because it's actually just the same guy. Just split into multiple parts. I think the full health is simply because it hasn't updated yet. It just spawned in and it hasn't updated yet to the health. It should be at current health is 18k, which is already very weird. I check something. Maybe this. I was thinking maybe this health multiplier was... Oh fuck, I should not change things actually. Pretty sure that will break the game that's running. How the fuck does it current health become 18k? This one also has 18k, but it shows the health of the main guy, which I think is this one. Yeah, this one has a normal amount of health. 0.3k. Then what's weird is this one is just after this bump. This one is way more after the bump, right? It's not showing the right HP. Which confuses me. Hmm. Or it has just not updated. It's like delayed somehow. It could be, this is probably what happens. It only updates when the entity gets hit. So even though it does show the proper value, it only updates it when it gets hit. Same with this one. Let me try to hit the full health one and see if it then updates. Kind of, oh fuck, oh. Restarting a game where you have 1 HP and there's a lot going on. It's not great. But I'm pretty sure that's the issue because I kind of already knew that when I was programming it and then I was too lazy to do it properly. Because of reasons. Yeah, repos. I've been listening to the same song on repeat for 3 times now. Oh, I actually need enemy base. Because all the logic for updating the health bars is in the hit. Right here. In the hit method. We have... This is very not clean code, but whatever. So if health parent is null, then it does the regular shit. Just updates its own health bar and whatever. I think here, yeah, this is the health bar update. But if there is a health parent, it will set the health to the health parent's health. But it only does it on hit, which is the issue. It should should just update the health bar every update. At least when it has a health parent. Updates. I don't think there's any logic right now for updating the health bars. Let's just plop it in a random place. And health parent. We can just copy the line from. I should have copied it before I went down here. Dun, 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 dun. This should just fix all my issues. Oh, where did he go? I have this bug where if you play the game but then you tab out, then whenever you go back, it has like accumulated all the velocity. Then it just yeets them off the screen. Don't know why. Almost like the physics loop keeps running. Something like this. What the fuck? Why does it do that? Just yeets them. Oh, it's not supposed to be like that. Yeah, it's very interesting. Google that, to be honest. Unity physics run while tagged out or something, I guess. It's telling me that I can just do something easy, which I like. Oh, still processing something or crashing. Oh, okay, okay. Apparently, I can just go here and here run in background. That's already off. Okay, you cannot do something easy. Unity accumulates physics. I don't know. I should look at the codes probably for how the guys move. Let's just test if the health bar works for the big ship. Oh, with this fucking starting to get winter again. Just feel like going back to sleep. On the other hand, we need to make the seal get lung cancer. Very important. I also would like to stream some finals gameplay, but my PC just can't handle it. it will just lag the shit out. The finals is kind of difficult to stream anyway, I think, because there's a lot of destruction. It kind of fucks with the bitrate. There's just debris flying around and yeah, coins as well. The coins pretty sure also fuck up your bitrate. Okay. Anyway, I'm not sure what I'm going to do today anyway. I just said anyway twice in that sentence. brain empty. You know what's weird? You need to post games on Google Play Store. They want to verify where you live, like your home address. And you need to send in like official documents for it. And I'm just like, Google, you know where I fucking live. You are Google. Why do I need to verify? And you know everything about me. Yeah. Or I guess it's kind of proof that Google doesn't really know anything about you. Or at least they pretend to. I think the way they actually do it though is that the algorithms that Google uses knows a lot about you, but they are not allowed to actually like use that information for anything else. That's what I hope. Now it's just a waiting game. Yeah, it was kind of scary because Google just sends you an email which starts with all your games and your account will be deleted. That's how the email starts. And then you open it because it only shows a little bit of text. Then you open it and then it says in 10 days if you don't do this. And then you're like, oh my god, I thought they were going to delete all my shit. Just what the fuck. Yeah, I have 20 more days to fix it, so time to procrastinate. I need to make a little list real quick of things that I see that I need to fix. Because I'm noticing a lot of things that are annoying me. Like, there's a lot of instances where it shows the player getting damaged, but the damage amount is 0, so you're not actually getting damaged. And it's just very confusing. Do fix this Please. This is where I keep all my IDs. It's very cool. It's a big list of all my big stuff. I mostly just use the to do and the doing and the done. So now we have to fix this, please. Damage. Player damaged effect should not play on 0 damage. There was more, I think. I already forgot the rest that I wanted to fix, so that's why we write it down. Oh yeah, sweet. Fuck, I clicked the wrong button and now I think I stopped the fucking game. Anyway. Remove big red man from ghost boss fight. Maybe remove healing. Still don't know. Oh yeah, I just remembered the last thing. Map should come invisible. Yes. Oh. Oh, what the fuck is going on here? Looks like a clusterfuck. Oh, no. I think I also want the duration on the bullets. Because right now, if they shoot bullets in a certain way, they will just keep threatening you forever. Can lead to, well, you saw it just now. I was very threatened by all those bullets that were shot like a minute before. Like those bullets that you see here, they're like half a minute old right now. There's no reason that should hit you. It's because I go faster than the bullets by a very slight amount. Okay, there's 2 now, which is what I wanted. So we can see if the health bar works. Oh, that was close. Oh fuck, I did not see that ship. Sometimes I just don't notice those ghost ships that come in from the sides. The problem. Those lines on the sea floor are supposed to help you with that, but I don't know, maybe yeah, sometimes they disappear too early, I think. Yo, okay, we can finally see both the ships in one fucking frame. I think it's right. Looks about the same, like it's in this dim. Yeah. Okay. I also had an issue where they would actually not die though. Because I think it also only checks if it should die when it's hit. It's really just the same issue, but with the death check. Because if you kill one of them, they should both die because it's the same share, the same health pool, right? This looks intense. Oh boy. The reason that attack was so intense was because they both did it at the same time. Which I think is cool. I don't know about these red guys. The color red is a problem already because it kind of conflicts with the bullets. Although this is way darker red, which helps. Also, these lines become very hard to see. Wait, there's not really. Oh, wait, I had to kill them. Wait. Okay, I'm dead. Shit, I was supposed to kill them, I forgot. Well, I already know the issue exists though, so don't really have to test it. Um, let's think. I think the easiest thing to do is just again, if held parent exists, you want to do the health bar thing. But we also want to check if the health parent is dying. It also dies. Okay. That should be a pretty easy fix. Okay. Also a weird thing that happens. They're supposed to hang from the parrot, but whenever I change any code, it just something bugs out and it just does not hang. I guess the physics loop just stops working. Kind of. I don't know. Something breaks. Should show some more about the tavern. They put a lot of effort in the tavern recently. I think it's pretty cool. I have not. I should really release this update because I have not really seen anybody interact with the tavern. So I kind of want to see, like, do people even understand how this works? Do they even interact with it, or do they not even care? Did I waste all my time? I don't not need to build. I want to do some more edits. I just realized because I did write all this down. Might as well do all this and then test. Um, Player damaged effect should not play on 0 damage. Okay. Let's first go to the player object and see how it even works. Here we have the player. Here we have particle systems, which is all of them. Here you can see all the cool particle systems, like ones for just splashing the water. This one is for when you're on ice. Fix this as well. This one should not be rotated forwards. It's fucking weird. Don't know why it is. I'm confusion. Yes, it should be 180. Yes. Right? Yeah, pretty much. Okay, well, we fixed something else. So this is the hit effect. I don't really care about. Oh fuck! I did something. I don't know. Do not know what I just did. Okay. I think I fixed it. I don't know what I'm doing. Probably look at the codes. Yeah, then when it gets hit, it will play the burst. But it does more. The hit glow is what it also does, yes. You want these next to each other. And honestly, I want them in a separate method called hit effects. Now you just have a nice everything together. So now we can also just easily, like, say when we don't want to do the hit effect, aka when damage is 0. Oh, that should be that. Big smart. Very big smart. The map should become invisible. For that we go to find the object real quick. He's held leader. I should just disable these two items. Let's make this a child. So I can just disable this one. I should probably do this in the base object, right? This is very complicated. It's because I do some funky shit. Look at this, what the fuck is even happening? This is basically, you know, the dotted line it creates? I wanted to have an item where you get your speed boosted when you're near one of those dotted lines. So I needed the collider that corresponded with the line. Which is kind of difficult, but this kind of does it. Where you just kind of get like the points and then a width. And then I do something, I don't know, I do something weird though. Whatever, don't care. I don't care about this. This is the end method. Dot spawn chest, which is a shitty fucking name. I don't think I have a reference to the map. Don't. Get one. Public game objects. Visuals. Objects. Here we say visuals object dot set active false. I'm not sure if I reuse these objects though. I don't think I do. I think I just instantiate them. Be fine. And here as well, it should have. Yes. I don't want we actually care about. Should also, yes, let's go. Just thought of something else I should do. Oh no. Yeah, why is my bitrate red? Unstable. Why does a smiley face on Twitch look like somebody's dead inside? Minus. Why is my session time negative? The fuck is going on? Why am I suddenly watching it? What the hell? Okay, confusion. I was doing something. I'm pretty sure I was doing something. Yes, I wanted to remove the golden variant during the ghost fight. I need to do something in general to spawn these special starters. My internet's dying. I don't know what's happening. I don't think it's very good. Or is it good? I don't know. Not saying it's bad. I'm just going to keep going. But I just realized that I've kind of hacked this fucking mechanism and I just forgot to properly make it. So let's do that. Health starter, normal. I think to make my life easy, I'm just going to do it the easy way. Put it in here. Does this have treasure manager? It does not have access to the treasure manager. Treasurer. What do we do? I could just completely swap this one out. I think with like another one. That would make the most sense, right? So all it does is spawn the maps that then lead you to health. And it doesn't really need initialization. It just starts working when it's active. So I could just like say I have two. Call this one boss. And the boss one has 0 golden treasure chance. It will spawn the ghost variant. And I can also change the timing to be more good. Be more gooder. Yeah, let's do it like that. This is inactive. Oh, what the fuck? That's a logical way to swap them out though. At the very least, this has to be an array or something. Guess you can just do something like enable treasurer and ask for an ID or something. For each. Treasurers. Such a fucking dumb sounding word. Word is starting to lose meaning to me right now. Don't you have that in programming where if you use a word enough, then it just stops having meaning? I just read crew. I was typing crew a fuckload. And at a certain point, it was like crew. It's like just a sound to me at this point. It's not even a word anymore. Like crew. I don't know. If you look at the word a lot, it's also like it's such a weird word. Weird word. I don't know. It's just getting insane. If you program for long enough on the same thing, you just go insane. Wait, I need an if statement. I don't know what the fuck am I doing. Honestly, a for loop makes way more sense. It equals index. Game object dot set active through else. Same thing, but it's false. And it probably makes more sense to do it by name, but whatever. I don't think I will ever need more than 2, so it's a bit over engineered right now with whatever. You're just watching. Very spooky. You know what's weird? Smiley you sent. I was like, like it's a smiley, but I was like, what the fuck is it supposed to mean? It looks like it's dead on the inside. Like if I see that, I just think you're dead on the inside. But apparently it's just supposed to be a smiley. Which I guess kind of truth. I was just doing this thing. Doing something. Where the fuck is my game master? Oh, there. I use chatty tool to hear the people chatting. Oh, that's somewhat smart. I think somebody told me about it once, and then I just said, "Oh, that's cool. I will use that." And I just forgot about it instantly. UI toolkit. I wish you good luck. I wish you all the strength. Because fuck UI. Blah, blah, blah. Get in there. Is there anything else? I have it in my list. Nice. Very nice. What is UI toolkit anyway? Like it's just Unity. It's something else. Wait. Wait, is this just UI that you can then make in the way that you would normally make a website? That sounds very shit. Gonna lie. Like I started with just building UIs in Unity, and then I went to try and make a website, and I was like, "What in the fuck am I? What the fuck is this? Why am I typing how to make a website?" Yeah, I can see how it works for some more complicated, weird shit. When I was making a website, I was like, "Where are my panels? I just want to panels, and I want to resize them, and like, why can I not do that?" You can probably do it if you like buy some site builder or something. I might look into it in the future. But I'm very much just cobble something together, and if it works, it works, and then never look back. And then the next project, maybe we do it a different way, and maybe that's better, and then we stick to that. Let's remove the red dudes. Maybe want to replace them with something though. Just something that's less big. Um, I do kind of like how there's just static enemies though. They're just standing there. That's why I wanted them in the first place. Some extra obstacles. I guess my other option is the whirlpools that I already have. Just more or something. Creating a program for helping operators. It's kind of crazy. And very vague as well. Like, fuck is an operator? Program for helping operators. Quickly look at all the enemies that I can replace this with. We just spawn some tornadoes in, I guess. I could also just make them smaller and see if that works. We have one of these. Just use the green one because it's way less conflicting with the other colors. I forgot which one is the green one. It's lit. Just make it smaller. Maybe half is a bit too small, but we'll see. Sometimes you just need to try something weird. You're an operator in plastic film extrusion. Hell yeah. Sounds cool though. Sounds like there's some physics happening. Freaking hot, yeah. I can see that. Damn. Spicy film. If you're really just writing or making some program to help yourself, I guess. Which is very smart. Nice. Yeah, I like it when people just solve their issues. That sounds very vague, but creative solutions to problems. Great. Like there are multiple types of people. But if the people that when something breaks, they go, "Oh, nothing I can do," or like I need to buy it, buy a new one or something. And then you have the people who just say, "Well, actually," that's what I love. Like like a few years ago, we made a hot tub in my garden, my backyard. from like some old pallet wood. I don't know if pallet is the right English, but we just got some old wood for free and we made a hot tub from it. Pretty good. I do have an official Discord. It should be somewhere. But I have not streamed in like a long time, so I don't know where it is. I guess I could just send it. Fuck, does this work? Give me that link, yes. You're also learning C sharp, yeah. Don't watch too much of what I'm doing because I'm doing it like somewhat proper, but somewhat absolutely not proper. And the only reason I get away with it is because I'm the only one working on this. If you ever work together with someone, then like most of this code is unacceptable. Like, yeah, it's too much to even get into. But there's a lot of rules. You want to like officially do it, but I guess. Yeah, let's not talk about it too much. I did recently write. I had to write a game for like this application to a job. I had to make a little game, and I actually wrote proper C sharp. And it kind of surprised me how easily it was to just convert to proper C sharp. I thought it would take a lot of getting used to, but it was really not that hard. Like, yeah, the serialized private is what I use there. But you know, when you just work on your own, it really doesn't matter what you do. Well, I say that, but some of the code I wrote in the early days is like, I don't want to go back to that. It's painful to work with. Actually painful. Not even sure what I'm testing right now. Done a bunch of random shit. I should test all of it. I kind of forgot all the shit I just did. Um, one of the things was the map. That will be easy because we have to interact with it. The other thing is, if I touch this ship, it should not show any damage on the player. Okay, come here, please. Balls, please. Let me touch you. Yes. Okay, that works. I did not pay it. I was supposed to pay attention right there. I was completely zoning out. Oh no. Oh, we're fine. Oh. Yeah, I really need to make these ships way more visible. Like in my attempt to make them ghost-like, they are like almost invisible, which I guess is very ghost-like, but not very good gameplay. Oh, that works. What color do I use for these ships though? Maybe green, because I don't use green anywhere. Although, I just replaced one enemy with a green one already. I guess pink could also work, which is a brighter pink. Oh, Lord. Okay, wait, reading chat and gaming is like not a thing. This is why we need the chatty to talk in my ear. I can just pause the game though. I was I was wondering how long it would take for somebody to tell me that my Discord was not set up properly. Because I kind of just skipped the setting up the Discord properly. I was like, ah, I'm just going to wait until somebody tells me to fix it. We've reached the point where I need to face my shit's going down. Green guys kind of look a bit out of place. Not gonna lie. Oh, yeah, paying attention. Okay. I see what you mean. You mean that there's like one place. There's a general. But it's called general in Dutch, which is not very useful. Just change his name real quick. His name general now instead of algemeen. Very interesting. I'm going to get something to drink. Fucking is very thirsty. Not English. This, like this, like that. Almost choked on her hair. Look at Meatball Man, by the way. My proudest creation. Oh, really? My proudest creation is not even here right now. Pretty proud of this guy. Like sometimes things just happen when I'm drawing, and then we end up with this. That's the most fun part, you know. Like this guy, I had the most fun drawing him out of all characters, probably. Because he didn't have to look right. On the other ones, they had to look right, so I had to actually like put some effort in. Putting effort in is not the issue. It's more like you need to redo your lines very often if you want it to look right. You end up redoing your shit a lot. But with this guy, I was just like, okay, just go with the flow. And the flow is not very good. Anyway, my brain forgot. Time for a break anyway. The tavern is a good place to take a break. Not gonna lie. Yeah. It is not the tavern anymore. The tavern is pretty cool in my opinion. You can go build mode. Now I can move things around. Because why not? One thing I have not yet implemented is like limits. Like right now, if you want, you can like buy 1 million cacti. And then just put them fucking everywhere. I mean, this is what I want. I want you to be able to like kind of fuck around like this. Because that's just fun. But at a certain point, things are going to break, you know, if you like spawn in 2.4 million of these. How many did I buy? Oh no. I think I bought a little bit too many. Oh no. Oh, that was the final one. You can make your own dream tavern like this. And everything still works. Like, you can still interact with everything. So it doesn't really break anything. Except... Oh, not yet. Not yet. Because we can keep buying infinitely. Like, I can put as much in here as I want until something breaks. I should probably have some limit. Maybe max 100. Like 200 objects or something. And then it just becomes silly. Anyway, now I need to delete all of these because otherwise I will be looking at these cacti forever. Oh, oh, okay. Yo, he's not happy. He's not happy right now. Should probably fix this as well. Or they start smoking meth and tweaking out. Wait, the cacti do have collision. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. Anyway, this was a lot of effort to make. Yeah, this was a lot of effort to make. I'm just thinking of all the shit I had to do. It's basically like 3 systems in one. You have like the crew system, which is its own thing. Then you have the building system, which is its own thing. And they do interact, like these tables are part of the building system. But they also determine how much crew capacity you have. So if I delete the table, the number goes to 12. Which was previously 16. And now this guy is sad because he has no table. And then we have this other menu. Oh. Ah, I forgot to disable the particle system object. This is where you equip your crew on the ship, which I never really do this because for testing I want the game to be beatable without using crew members. And also in general as a developer, I'm pretty good at the game. So if I can beat the game without any crew members, then it will be probably pretty well balanced for regular people with crew members. That's kind of the idea. These guys just give straight up stat bonuses. Some of which are pretty damn strong, like +1 bullets. Straight up an extra bullet. Or 20% fire rate, like straight from the get-go. That's pretty good as well. Anyway, let me fix this particle system. Something. Whoa. Builderman is outside my room. Bob the Builder. I should be doing something else now, probably. I guess make this ship more visible. This one. This effect looks really cool when you just look at it like this. But then in game, you don't have enough focus left in your brain to even like notice the effect. But you do kind of notice the entire enemy less. So that's not great. Just do this. This way you keep the effect, but it's just not as hard to see. I think this particle system is a little bit too gray. Can be a like something like that. A bit more visible. Like messing with the noise scale as well. Makes it less visible. What I can also do is add another copy, which does not have the effect. That's this one, which makes it rotate. Well, it looks so fucking weird. It's like very subtle right now. Oh, it's like shifting. It's weird. I do kind of like it. I just wish it was a bit more. The fuck did I add to it even? I just added this rotation sprite underneath. It's the only thing right now I did is I just have this one on top of this effect on the left. And it just becomes kind of crazy. Did not expect that to happen. So make the bottom one pink, then you kind of get more of a color something effect. I can also try this new material I made. It's distortion. This is an actual proper distortion effect. Maybe a bit too much. Let's just try this. I think this line can also be distorted, if I remember correctly. Pretty sure I just made a material to do that. Yeah, line. It's not right. I think it's distorting it lengthwise or something. Oh. I don't think I even want the line to be distorted. That's the kind of the important part that you always need to see. I want to do something funky with the trill though. Let's just try this to see it in game. Mm. Yeah, I've been working on this boss for like a week now. That's not even like the main part of the boss, which I did way earlier. That's just a week of trying to polish and finish the boss. Fixing all the annoying parts. Getting the pacing right, that's also important. Banana. Forgot about the tavern. Yeah, that deck. Let's see. Yeah, it's way more visible, but they still look kind of ghostly with the distortion. Now in game, it looks like the distortion suddenly can be a bit bigger, you know. I do think the pink lines are good. Just that way you don't mix them up with the bullets. But they're also still very visible and distinct. They also don't overlap with any other like things, like these waves or anything. I think what I want on these ships is the distortion animation is just a bit faster. Because they move fast, it looks weird with a slow distortion animation on there. Should be more like a flag in the wind, you know, when a flag goes in high speed wind. Okay, just fucking disappear on me, why not? Oh. Well, I need to get the thing. Oh shit. Ooh, that was lucky. Easy. Now it gets real intense. But yeah, I want to add a duration to the bullets. That's the one thing I think I forgot completely. Oh. Oh, hello, second ship. I'm scared. Yeah, around this point I wanted somewhat of a difficulty spike. Where these green guys come in. Could be a little bit later though. The real difficulty spike is the second ship coming in. Let me try to actually beat this boss fight. Let me just quickly note down what I just said I was going to do. Duration on boss bullets. I think I also Like I just fucking said it. Maybe I just saw it and then I didn't say it. I don't know. Oof. Get a double attack. Oh my god. I wonder if this many lines it becomes very impossible to follow. I guess you can just avoid the lines, right? And then you are sure you're fine. It's kind of the point of the lines anyway. Ah, scheiße. Hey yo, hey yo. Oh, sick dodge. Turn. I think honestly I mostly just want the weather effects. Like these waves. Because they fit just so well with the theme of the fight. Y'all know how a ghost ship is made, right? Ghost ships are made by going down in a storm. It makes sense that the fight is also partly the storm itself. Oh boy. It's getting pretty intense, but still doable. A small note is also that this is supposed to be like the hardest level in the game. So it's allowed to be intense. We worry a bit about these blue whirlpools. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, there's three of them. There's three of them. Things are happening. I'm going to fucking die. Ah. I think it was still fine. Maybe except for the whirlpools that kind of obscure the boss itself. Big blue whirlpools. Your boss too much. Like, there's one thing I just forgot. Oh. It's the issue with forgetting things that you don't remember them. Where I remember them. bigger distortion. I would just put some distortion and big. Or I want the animation to be faster or something. Uh, here. Let's make one specifically for this guy. It's too fast. I'm gonna wish it doesn't have this period where it just does nothing. I need to stop eating. I started working. What does noise scale do exactly? I don't know. Ah, let's see. Oh, if I lower the offset, it will get rid of the period where nothing happens. Yes, I know. I know it does this weird jiggle. Know what that means? I don't want it to reset to default, which it does. It needs to always be in a state of wiggle. We need more offset. And lower the scale. Yeah, we just needed more offset. That way it doesn't return to 0. Mm. Honestly, returning to its normal form is not really the issue. The issue is that the animation just stops. For a very small period of time, it just kind of stops. Kind of the nice thing about the slower animation is that you don't really notice that as much. Just a bigger animation is enough. Maybe a bit too much, but I kind of like how you are not sure if you are seeing a ship or not. Maybe it's a ship, maybe it's not. I don't fucking know. And maybe it was just fine. Fuck it. Next, duration of bullets. That should be easy. Get the cannon weapon. Bullets. It has a duration, but it's 20 seconds, which is quite long. Probably be like 7. Figure out what I want to do with those green guys that I spawn in. Thinking maybe just remove them. Just it's on the one hand it's the easiest solution because I don't have to do anything, and I think it will just solve the issue. Basically, I want to delete it, but I do. Okay. I think I want this big whirlpool. Don't want it to be blue. And then the problem is also solved. Well, it can be blue, but not. No, just no. We just. Just do this. We put it in the actual loading thingy. Sure, we select all it. the actual here. Of these loading times. Could probably make a pretty easy method to make it easier to test just a single level, because it loads the enemies for all levels. So when you click the actual level, it doesn't really have to load much. But I could probably just, for testing, just load only the enemies for the level I'm testing. Then I don't have to wait as long. I should have probably done that like a few months ago. Let's look at the duration of these bullets. If it actually works. I don't think it actually works. Oh, it does. 7 seconds is just still pretty long. Ghost. I do like the effect on the ghost ship now. Again, I feel like this effect was way more pronounced when I was looking at it in the editor. Now in game it doesn't look that big of a distortion. I think it's just because everything is moving, so you can't really focus on it. Haha. Haha, what do we really do now? Just fucking disappear, I guess. Okay, that works. Hello there. I think one problem is you're supposed to go through him, right? Or at least be able to. And I think a lot of people just won't understand that that's possible even. So in testing I should probably not use it as much as possible. Or find a way to make it more clear to the player, but it's hard. Better to just balance the fight around not doing that. And then if people figure it out, they get a little easier fight. Good for them. Why are these things still blue? Oh yeah, I've only changed it in the later wave, not in the first time they spawn. Oh yeah, I need to actually get a weapon. Sometimes I kind of forget that I should probably like actually attack him as well. And of course he goes invisible. Oh, that's one attack opportunity wasted. Good chill. Yeah. Aha. Get hit, baby. And that's it. One hit. That's all we get. But yeah, at first I made this boss fight way more hectic than it's now even. And very quickly I realized with the wind system, very simple patterns already become pretty difficult because you need to pay attention to the wind as well as the bullets, as well as like try to follow this line on the floor. Maybe dodge these ships. And oh, the wind changes. Now you have to suddenly rethink what you are doing. Like now it's changing and it's fucking me. Oh yeah, wait, I already have one. Ah, it's inside of a whirlpool. That's a little bit. I should fix that probably. Because these things actually do damage. Oh no. Oh, I survive. Oh, the whirlpool. Need to go gamer mode. Oh, you disappeared. You both disappeared. Okay, we get a double. Double the trouble. Uh, should probably make it also that the ships that charge in, that they erase the line when they go over it. So it's easier to spot when one is already passed. Oh, there it is. Get the woodman. Good damage. Oh, there's 3 of them. Oh no. Leave me alone. Wee. I kind of should probably fix that they can never be. All 3 of them could never be in the same state. Because it becomes a little bit problematic when they are all just firing their cannons and they kind of surround you. I'm so good. I'm so good. He's almost dead. Why do they have different health? It's so hard to just do anything right now. Like, if I want to go anywhere, just know. I just need to go where I need to go, or I will die. Oh, nice. I can follow this one. Let's do a little loop. You follow. Ah, it's looping back. At least there's lots of options, so if one of the lines goes in a direction that's shit, you can just activate the new one. I feel like it's easier suddenly. It's because they're not all active at once. And I feel like one is missing. Wait, let me just quickly check. What's he called? Big Boss. That's a very good name. Yeah, all 3 of them are alive. One of them is invisible. Oh, wait, what? Okay, that's 2 apparently. Why did I pause the game? Why did I do it? It's never a good idea. Never works out. Problem is pausing it for too long because then your brain wipes your memory. Your RAM gets cleared. And you fucking die. That was half of my HP. I just need one of these fucking things. Oh, there's one. Hit him. I missed. I hit him still. And they all fucking die synchronously. It's pretty fucking satisfying. I did it. It took 8 minutes. Probably more like 10. Oh, yeah. Cactus. Yeah, honestly, the boss fight felt pretty good. The only thing that maybe I'm not too good at the game, but was one point where I thought like most people would probably die here, and I survived because I played this boss fight a million times for testing. And it's one day where all three of the ships were all shooting their cannons. And then sometimes the shots overlap in a way where just there's no gaps. And that's not good. So I'm going to put this as a maybe. Maybe. Maybe big boss copies can't all do the same thing at once. I need to get actual lunch instead of eating crisps, chips. And banana is also not good enough. Oh, I can eat bacon and egg. Ooh. Yes. One of these are both. Plop. Yeah, it's big break time. A big break time. Food, I need to clear brain. I might be back in like an hour. Probably. Yay. How the fuck do I end this shit? Oh, I need a break so much. I just clicking random fucking things in my taskbar to find OBS. Anyway, it was nice having you. Goodbye.